Hello everyone, my name is Megha Goyal. I welcome you all on my channel. My channel Divine Souls talk about the solution of your life. And today I am doing reading for the day with the Soul Journey cards. So let's invoke to our Supreme God, Divine Father Mother, Ganesha, Shiva Shakti, all the archangels, angels, and your spirit guides to come over and give you the guidance for the day. So I will be pulling 3 cards. Card number 1, card number 2, card number 3. Now I want you all to just close your eyes and invoke your spirit guides to help you to choose the card that you are drawn to. You can choose from card 1, card 2 or card 3. So the ones who have chosen card 1, so the card for you today is humor, and you can see a beautiful laughing Buddha on this card. So laughing Buddha represent the happiness. So today I would say you that more focus on the energy of being happy. Do something that makes you happy. You can dance, you can sing, you can do activities that make you active, make you happy. So be creative throughout the day and be happy throughout the day. The ones who have chosen card 2, so for you the card is worry. So I would say the energy of the day would be like you have a tension or some problem that may cause you some worriness, but you have to remind yourself that worriness is not the solution. You have to think positive and you have to think about the outcome. Make your energy positive throughout the day. So the ones who have chosen card 3, you have to trust yourself. You have to trust on your inner voice. So trust yourself and your inner voice will always guide you correctly. Now I will be drawing the Zebo symbol angel message for you all. So starting with the ones who have choose card 1. So message for you from the angel is optimum health. So the angels want to say that take care of your health also. The ones who have choose card 2, the message from the angel is to celebrate, is joy, that spend your day with celebration, with joy, with happiness. And the ones who have chosen card 3, the message from your angels that spend some time in nature, spend some time, a quality time with yourself. So now I will be drawing runes message for you all. So let me pick one rune for card 1. The ones who have choose card 1, the rune for you is focused. So throughout the day you have to be in the energy where you can focus on your goals, you can focus on your work. So the ones who have choose card 2, the rune message for you, stand still. So the message for you is that don't stand still, take actions. Don't be in a form of that I can't do anything. Don't be in a form of, as your card is also about worry, so don't be in the vibration of stand still, that what will happen. Be in a positive state. So the ones who have choose card 3, so the rune for you is joy, pleasure. So enjoy your day with joy, enjoy your day with creativity. So this is the reading from the angels. Do comments in the section below that which card you have chosen for yourself, and show your love by liking the video share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.